Alright, this is hole 1 from Pilot Knob Park Country Club. It's a nice little dog leg left, par 5 start off. Still a ways to go. I think 180 to the pin. I got my 7. I'll try to go over the trees. Get through. I was fortunate to get through, but this ball only went about 100 yards. Got 120 to stick. I got my approach wedge. Be good. Get down. Yep, we're good. Pretty long birdie putt, if I must say. Simmer, simmer, simmer. Fuck. This wound up being like the problem of the day. I mean, I was 3-putting every hole. It was pretty terrible. Bogey. Because I can't putt for shit.